Dear students, in the last class we discussed some problems that is related to the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. In this class, we are going to solve some application type questions. For the examination point of view, in this lesson means AP, there is one compulsory application type question for 4 marks. So you have to practice some application type questions. So let us consider one example, that is application type question. Find the 3 numbers of an AP whose sum is 12 and their product is 48. Find the 3 numbers. You already studied the general form of an AP. What is the general form of an AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So this is the general form of an AP. Find the 3 numbers of an AP, their sum is given, their sum is 12 and their product is 48. So let the numbers A be the middle term, or let A be a term. So what is the succeeding term of the A? How to get the succeeding term? By adding a common difference to the preceding term or the term, so we will get the succeeding term by adding the common difference. So the succeeding term of A is A plus D. Succeeding term means next term, so that is A plus D. A is the term or the middle term. What is the preceding term of the A? How to get the previous term or the preceding term? By subtract the common difference or the D. So we will get the preceding term. So their preceding term is A minus D. So A minus D, A plus D are in AP, or A minus D, A plus D are the 3 numbers, are in AP. I think it is clear. So the general form, normally the general form is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. To eliminate any one of the variable, either A or D, for opposite sign, so minus D, here the plus D. So we consider A minus D, A plus D are the 3 numbers. Now once you go through the question, find the 3 numbers of an AP whose sum is 12. So sum means A minus D in between plus sign plus A plus D, which is equal to, that is already given, 12. So here minus D plus D becomes 0. So A plus A, same variable or the like terms, so that is a 3A equal to 12. So what is the value of A? So A equal to 12 by 3 or A equal to 4. So what is the question? Find the 3 numbers. Which are the 3 numbers? A minus D, A plus D are the 3 numbers. So the value of A is a D. Value of A is a 4. Now what is the value of a D? So we have to find the value of D with respect to the given condition. So what is the second condition? Oh, sum is 12 and their product is 48. So their product is 48. So the 3 terms, A minus D, so their product into A plus D equal to 48. So what is the value of A? 4. Substitute the value of A. 4 minus D into 4 into 4 plus D equal to 48. So here the constant term is there, 4. Now transpose that term. 4 minus D into 4 plus D, which is equal to 48 into 4, so that becomes divided by. So 48 divided by 4. 4 minus D into 4 plus D, which is equal to, so divide, 4 1s are 4 2s are, so 12. Just look at the left hand side, 4 minus D into 4 plus D, that is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. That is identity. A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So A square means 4 square. So minus B square, b square means d square, so which is equal to 12. So 4 square 16 minus d square equal to 12. So we have to find the value of d, transpose the constant term, minus d square equal to 12 minus 16. So therefore minus d square equal to minus 4. So here also minus sign, here also minus sign. So d square equal to 4. Now find the value of d. How to find the value of d? So therefore d equal to plus or minus square root of 4. Why it is plus or minus? Because d square highest power is a 2. Then maybe it is a quadratic equation. So d square, it has a 2 roots. If the highest power is a 2 or the degree is a 2, it has a 2 roots or the solutions. So one is a plus root, another one is a minus root. So d is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. Or in other words, plus 2 into plus 2, that is a 4. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is also 4. So therefore d is equal to plus or minus 2. So this is the value of d. So what is the question? Find the three numbers. Which are the three numbers? A minus d, a plus d. So therefore the numbers a minus d, a plus d. So here are the two possibilities. Either d is equal to plus 2 or d is equal to minus 2. If a is equal to 4 and d is equal to plus 2. Now substitute the values. So a 4 minus 2. A value, that is 4. Next 4 plus 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 4, 6. So these are the three numbers which are in AP. Or one more possibility, if a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. So which are the three numbers? A minus d, a plus d. Now substitute the values. 4 minus, so d value, that is minus 2. 4 minus 2. Now simplify. Minus of minus plus 6, 4, 2. So 6, 4, 2 are in AP. Once again go through the question. Check whether the answer is correct or wrong. Find the three numbers of an AP whose sum is 12. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Answer is correct. And their product is 48. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 6, that is 48. So I think it is clear. Next we pass on to second question. The sum of the three numbers in AP is 24 and the sum of their squares is 264. Find the numbers. So the given question, find the numbers. But the condition given, the sum of the three numbers in AP is 24 and their sum of their squares is 264. So let the numbers be a minus d, a plus d, or a is the middle term. So what is the succeeding term of the a? That is a plus d. What is the preceding term of the a? That is a minus d. So a minus d, a plus d are in AP. The sum of the three numbers in AP is 24. Find the numbers. Find the numbers means we have to find the value of a as well as d, then substitute the values of a and d, a minus d, a plus d. So how to get a and d with respect to the given condition? So first condition, the sum of the three numbers in AP is 24. So their sum means a minus d plus a plus d equal to 24. Minus d plus d, 0. A plus a, that is 3a equal to 24. So therefore a is equal to 24 divided by 3. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 8. Next, what is the second condition? And the sum of their squares is 264. Sum of their squares. A minus D, their square. That is A minus D whole square. And the second term, A. So, their square, A square. And next, the third term, A plus D, their square, A plus D whole square. So, sum of their square, sum means a plus, in between plus sign. So, which is equal to 264. A minus D whole square plus A square plus A plus D whole square equal to 264. Now, what is the value of A? That is 8. Now, substitute the value of A. 8 minus D whole square plus A square means 8 square plus 8 plus D whole square equal to 264. 8 minus D whole square, that is in the form of A minus B whole square identity. You already studied in A standard. So, A minus B whole square. A8 plus D whole square, that is in the form of A plus B whole square. So, A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now, substitute the value 8 minus D whole square, A minus B whole square. So, A square means 8 square minus 2 into, so A value 8 into B value, that is D, plus B square means D square. Clear? So, next plus 8 square plus 8 plus D whole square, that is in the form of A plus B whole square. So, A square 8 square plus 2 into A into B plus B square, that is a D square, which is equal to 264. Now, simplify 8 square, that is 64 minus 2 into 8 16D plus D square plus 8 square 64, here also 8 square 64 plus 16D plus D square equal to 264. Minus 16D plus 16D, that is a 0. Minus 16D plus 16D plus D square like terms. So, that is a 2D square and a constant term, that is a 64. 64 plus 64 plus 64. So, their sum is plus 192, which is equal to 264. So, from this we have to find the value of D. So, transpose the constant term, 2D square equal to 264 plus 192 becomes 192. So, 2D square equal to, so subtract 264 minus 192, that is 72. So, D square equal to 72 by 2, or D square equal to, divide, so that is 36. So, D square equal to 36. So, what is the value of D? How many solutions are there? 2. Why? Because D square, if the highest power is a 2, it has 2 roots or the 2 solutions. Which are the 2 solutions? So, D is equal to plus or minus square root of 36, or D is equal to plus or minus 36, their square root, D is equal to plus or minus 6. What is the question? Find the numbers. Which are the 3 numbers? A minus D, A plus D. What is the value of A? That is 8. D value plus or minus 6. So, therefore, the numbers are, A minus D, A plus D. If A is equal to 8 and D is equal to, there are two possibilities, either plus 6 or the minus 6. So D is equal to plus 6. Now substitute the values. A is 8 minus a D value 6, A value 6, sorry, A value 8, and A plus D 8 plus 6. So 8 minus 6, that is 2, 8, 14. So 2, 8, 14 are in AP. So these are the required numbers. The sum of three numbers in AP is 24. Or one more possibility, if A is equal to 8 or D is equal to minus 6, the numbers becomes in the reverse order, that is 14, 8, 2. So these are the numbers which are in AP. So check whether the answer is correct or wrong. So what is the question? The sum of the three numbers in AP is 24. So their sum is 24. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 14, that is 24. So correct. And the sum of their squares is 264. Sum of their squares, 2 square, 4. 8 square, 64. 14 square, 196. So 4 plus 64 plus 196. So which is equal to 264. Move on to the next question. The third term of an AP is 8 and the ninth term of the AP exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Find the sum of its first 19 terms. Understand the question clearly. Find the sum of its first 19 terms. Find the sum. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n equal to 19. What is the value of a, first term, and common difference d? With respect to the given condition, we have to find the value of a as well as d. Then substitute the value of a and d in the formula. So first condition, the third term of an AP is 8. How to write the third term? Third term, that is A3. So A3 equal to 8. So A3 means n equal to 3, a plus n minus 1 into d, or a plus 3 minus 1 into d, or a plus 2d. Or simply we can write it as a plus 2d equal to 8. Let it be equation number 1. So what is the second condition? The ninth term of the AP exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. So how to write the ninth term? So ninth term means A9. Ninth term A9 exceeds 3 times the third term. So third term A3. So there 3 times. So 3 times means 3 into that term. So 3 into A3. Ninth term of the AP exceeds means plus or the greater, exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Plus 2. Why it is plus 2? Plus 2 means exceeds. So at that time, left hand side equal to right hand side. So A9 equal to 3 into A3 plus 2, or in other words, ninth term of the AP exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. So this is the second condition. So A9, how to write A9 or the ninth term? A plus 8D equal to 3 into A3, A plus 2D plus 2. Now solve the equation. There are two methods. One is substitute the value of a plus 2d. What is the value of a plus 2d? So a plus 2d is 8. So substitute a plus 2d 8 and simplify. So that is one method. One more method, a plus 8d equal to, now multiply. 3 into a, 3a plus 3 into 2, 6d plus 2. Now transpose all the variable terms to the left hand side. A plus 8d plus 3a becomes minus 3a plus 6d becomes minus 6d equal to 2. Now simplify. Plus a minus 3a, that is minus 2a, plus 8d minus 6d, answer plus 2d equal to 2. So just look at the coefficient. Here 2, here also 2, here also 2. So 2 is the common term. Divide throughout by the equation by 2. So we get minus a plus d equal to 1. So let it be equation number 2. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. So we will get the value of a as well as d. So what is the first equation? First equation, a plus 2d equal to 8. Equation number 1. So the second equation, minus a plus d equal to 1. That is second equation. Eliminate any one of the variable. Just look at the variable. So here plus a minus a. Here plus 2d, here plus d. So the same variable, same coefficient. So here also coefficient 1, numerical coefficient 1. Here also numerical coefficient is 1, but opposite sign. By adding 1 and 2, plus a minus a, that becomes 0. So plus a minus a, that is 0. Plus 2d plus d, 3d equal to 8 plus 1, that is 9. So these are the pair of the linear equations in two variables. So this method is known as elimination method. So 3d equal to 9. What is the value of d? So therefore d equal to 9 by 3 or d equal to 3. So this is the value of the common difference. Next, what is the value of a? Substitute value of d equal to 3 in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So substitute in 1. So first equation, a plus 2d equal to 8. Now substitute the value, a plus 2 into d value 3 equal to 8, or a plus 2 into 3, 6 equal to 8, a equal to 8 minus 6, so a equal to 2. So this is the first term. So what is the question? Find the sum of its first 19 terms. You know the formula. Value of a, that is 2, value of d 3, number of terms, that is 19. Now formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. Sn, first 19 terms, so number of terms 19. So 19 by 2 into 2 into a value. So a value, that is 2 plus 19 minus 1 into d value, that is 3. Now simplify. 19 by 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 19 minus 1, 18 into 3 equal to 19 by 2 into 4 plus 18 into 3, that is 54. Now simplify. 19 by 2 into 4 plus 54, 58. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 19s are. So 2 9s are 18. So 19 into 29. So which is equal to 551. So that is the sum of the first 19 terms, 551. Look at the next question. In an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13 and the sum of its first 4 terms is 24, find the sum of its first 10 terms. What is the question given? Find the sum of its first 10 terms. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of n? N equal to 10. Value of a and d. We have to find the value of a and d. How? with respect to the given condition. So the first condition, if the 12th term is minus 13, how to write the 12th term? So 12th term, A12 equal to minus 13. That is the 12th term. So A12 equal to minus 13. So how to write the A12? So A12 means A plus 11D equal to minus 13. So let it be equation number 1. So what is the second condition? Sum of its first 4 terms is 24. Sum of its 4 terms. Sum is denoted as Sn. So 4 terms. So S4. So S4 equal to 24. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the value Sn. Sn means S4 equal to n 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Now S4 given, that is 24 equal to 2 ones are 2 2s are, so 2 into 2a plus 3d. Now transpose the coefficient term, so that is 24 by 2 equal to 2a plus 3d, or in other words 2a plus 3d equal to, divide 2 ones are 2 12s are, so answer is 12. So let it be equation number 1. Go through the equation 1, a plus 11d equal to minus 13. So the second equation, 2a plus 3d equal to 12. So these are the linear equation, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So how to solve this equation? By elimination method. So the equation 1, a plus 11d equal to minus 13. And the second one, that is 2a plus 3d equal to 12. So this is the equation 1. Equation 2. Now look at the coefficient as well as the variable. So here the variable is a, here also variable is a, but the coefficient, numerical coefficient is 1, here the numerical coefficient is 2. To eliminate any one of the variable, numerical coefficient must be same. So multiply equation 1 by, so the coefficient of the second equation of a, that is 2, so multiply by the equation 1, 2. So 2 into a, that is 2a plus 2 into 11, 22d, which is equal to minus 26. Let it be equation number 3. And second equation same, 2a plus 3d equal to 12, equation number 4. Now solve equation 3 and equation 4. How to eliminate any one of the variable, either a or the d? Subtracting 3 by 4. So we will get here plus 2a becomes a minus 2a, plus 3d becomes a minus 3d, so here minus 12. Plus 2a minus 2a, that is 0. Plus 22d minus 3d, answer is 19d. Equal to, so here minus 26 minus 12, so answer is minus 38. So what is the value of d? So therefore d is equal to minus 38 divided by 19. So d is equal to 19 ones are, 19 twos are, so answer is minus 2. Answer minus 2. So what is the question given? Find the sum of its first 10 terms. D value is minus 2. So what is the value of a? Substitute d value minus 2 in any one of the equation, either equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substitute in 1. So what is the equation? A plus 11d equal to minus 13. Now substitute the value. A plus 11 into d value minus 2 equal to minus 13. Now simplify. So a plus into minus, that is minus 22 equal to minus 13, or A is equal to minus 13 minus 22 becomes plus 22. So what is the value of A? A equal to plus 9. So this is the value of A. So once again go through the question. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. You know the formula. N value, that is a 10. A value 9 and D value minus 2. So formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. Sn, find the sum of first 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into, what is the value of A? A is 9 plus 10 minus 1 into D value, that is minus 2. Now simplify. 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 5 into 9 into 2, 18 plus 9 into minus 2. 5 into 18 plus into minus, that is minus 9 into 2, 18. So which is equal to 5 into 18 minus 18, 0. So the answer 5 into 0, 0. So this is the sum of the first 10 terms. So sum of the first 10 terms is 0. I think it is clear. Okay. Students, practice some more application type of the questions and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.